Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. In this video, we are going to discuss about the important topic, and this topic is completely for beginners. Okay, and we are going to discuss about this import statement in our APM. Okay, so if you see, our automation always starts with these two import statements. APM automation starts with only with these two import statements. So what exact these import statements? See what happened when many beginners use this import statement in their scripts, okay, without understanding what they actually do. Okay, these two import statements. By end of this video, you will know why these imports are required and how they help in creating a automation APM driver. Okay, so if you see, our automation script starts with from APM import WebDriver. The first line always, and second line from APM options Android import UI Automator2 Options. This is in case of Android. In case of iOS, we use from from apm options iOS, and we use import XUIT test options. Okay, this is in case of iOS and this is in case of Android. These three lines, if you're working with Android, iOS is mandatory. If you're working with Android, the two lines, the first two lines is mandatory. Why? What exactly this import statement tells us? See, when you first see the first statement, we are importing WebDriver. What is a WebDriver? See, so I will take a real-time example. Suppose I want to drive a car. Okay, so I have a car with me and I know driving. But when you want to control the car, right, you want a steering wheel. Okay, you want a steering wheel to control the car. Like that, in the same scenario, the APM want to control our device. It may be a real-time device, simulator, or any cloud device. We want a steering wheel. We want to control the device. How it can able to control? By using the WebDriver. So WebDriver acts as a steering wheel here. Means the WebDriver contains the methods which can use on our device to control it, like a click, send keys, uh, gestures, and suppose you want to swipe, open the application, close the application, all we can able to do by using the WebDriver. Means WebDriver acts as a heart of our APM automation. Okay, without APM WebDriver, we cannot work on APM automation. This is like WebDriver is a heart of our uh, APM automation. Okay, and this WebDriver allows to launch application, find elements, click on the buttons, click on enter the text, swipe the screens, gestures, all we can able to perform by using the WebDrivers and its methods. Okay, that is the importance of the WebDriver module here. Okay, so it acts as a heart of our automation, APM automation. Okay, and if you come to second one, apm.options.android import UI Automator 2. See, what is import? What is here? This UI Automator 2 options. See, after when we want to create a APM session, then we need to provide some capabilities. See, what we capabilities we provide? We provide a platform name. Okay, so I write the code here. See, we use the options. We're able to create a UI automated to object. We create object here. Okay, then we provide the capabilities. That is first capability what we have provided is a platform name. We are saying that I want to test, means I want to test my scripts on the platform. Which platform? Android. I'm reading the Android. Means we are want to perform the some actions on the platform called platform name Android. And second option, that is capability we provide, is the automation name. automation name. So automation name for Android, we have to use UI Automator 2. Means this is a driver. This is a UI Automator 2. Okay, this is the driver which allows us to perform the actions on the Android device. See, without these two capabilities, these are the mandatory capabilities which provide the capability for Appium to perform the actions on the mobile device. Means we should have these capabilities. Okay, these two capabilities and these important module. Okay, so by using the WebDriver, it provides the methods to control the our device, testing device. It may be Android or iOS. Okay, and the second one is the UiAutomator2Options. See what exactly it provides the capabilities. We are mentioning the capabilities for the APM that I want to work on this platform. I want to work on this automation name. That is a driver you want to use it. Okay, when the APM session is getting created, when you based upon this automation name, it starts the driver. Okay, starts the driver, and we provide the device name. Suppose we have one more option called device name. Options dot device name means we need to provide a device name also. Means I want to perform. Suppose a pixel cell 8. So this is a device name. I want to perform the actions on this device. Okay. So when you provide this thing, the Android will initiate the driver. The Android will initiate the sorry, APM will initiate the driver. Okay, it will initiate the driver, and when you start the APM session based upon this capability, it creates a session. Okay, it creates a session, and whatever the actions we are providing here, it will perform on the device here. Suppose see, I use the driver. When WebDriver means I'm using the WebDriver module, and first here you are initializing the driver here. This step is to initialize the driver. Then I say a localhost HTTP colon. This is the localhost. Okay, dot zero dot zero. Okay, okay colon, and this is the port. And this is a port. And here I am providing the options here. Options is equal to options. Okay, base is options. The capabilities are the sessions. Based upon this one, the capabilities, the session is created here. Okay, this is a code. This is mandatory. It may be a driver script or whatever maybe it is. So this is the basic import statement we need to use in automation, APM automation. Without this import statement, we cannot perf anything. We cannot perform any actions on our device. Okay, means we cannot do any APM automation but without these two import statements. So that is the most important use of this import statement. See, import WebDriver is actually the heart of our APM automation, where it provides the methods to interact with our test device. It may be a simulator, real-time device. It may be a cloud device. Okay, and UI Automator 2 option module will provide the capabilities to the APM. Based upon this capability, the session ID will create it and complete the run will based upon this capability only. We cannot change the capability in between of our run. Okay, once we create the APM session with the capabilities, the capability will last till the end. We cannot change in the middle. Okay, that's the use of these two import statement. That is from APM import WebDriver, from appium.options.android import UI automate to options. If you in the case of iOS, we use the XUI test automation. So this is the use of this import statement. Okay, so at the summary, you can say that WebDriver helps to control the mobile device, whereas UI Automator 2 or XUI test options will help to configure the session. Okay, and together by using these two import statement, they create the APM driver, and establish a communication between the device. Okay, this is a importance of the import statement in Appium automation. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.